What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden. I did take a little bit of a hiatus. I was working on a retaining wall, and as you can see, I'm still doing some sprinkler type work. But I got the bulk of what I needed done. That wall my portion of that wall is done. The neighbors are taking care of the fence portion now, but that means it's finally time to get back to racing stuff, which yeah, car turned into a catch-all. So the goal is this weekend we will be going to Lovelock Speedway in Lovelock, Nevada. It's a track that's been closed for the last couple of years. Going to go up there and try to support that track. They race Friday and Saturday. I don't know if I'm going to be able to make Friday happen due to work stuff. So I'll definitely be up there Saturday. I'm going to try for Friday and Saturday at least this weekend, which is July, I think it's the 23rd, 24th, or 24th, 25th, something like that. You know, I really should start looking at dates before I start these videos so that I have that information. But yeah, I'm going to do that and start getting this car ready. Only got a couple days. It's Monday now, and if I'm going to make it Friday, I'm going to have to be loaded up and ready to go on Thursday. So yeah, I better get to work. All right, before we get to work on the car, I know I'm gonna have to move the tough truck out of the way, and kind of tough truck related, I'll show you something that came in here. Oh no, that's broken sprinkler stuff. What I want to show you is this. Check that out. It is a new leaf spring shackle mount. It's going to replace the stock shackle back here. Boom. So this will go. See if I can grab it. It's pretty heavy. It's made out of some pretty thick steel here, but it'll go in place there. Boom. And it's a shackle flip. So instead of the shackle moving this way, it'll be mounted this way, which softens things up. And it's also a 4-inch lift shackle, so 4-inch lift shackle flip, I guess. So it should lift the back end of the tough truck a little too. I just kind of wanted to show you that, but we'll get more into tough truck stuff later. I know the tough truck is going to be racing again in September, so we will get to that soon, I hope. But for right now, yeah, I got to get the car cleared off, and I didn't really get a chance to wash it. I gave it a quick rinse. So tough truck's got to move out of the way. Got to get the car washed off, because there's a handful of maintenance items that need to be done to it, and I definitely want it clean before I start really digging in. So yeah, here we go. Man, this is just not going how I want it to go. You want to see what I got done? This is what I got done on the car. Right here. This is it. See that tire? That one right there? It was flat. I aired up a tire today. It was about all I got done. Life happens, things happen. I don't know if you can see it in the dark, but I did got to do a lot of wonderful digging because we had an issue. As soon as I thought I was going to be able to start working on the car, so I dug and I dug and I dug, and well, it's yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock and still haven't fixed that issue. But hey, you know, I got the tough truck moved. We built that retaining wall way over here. It's now in the dark right over here, but I don't know if you can see it way back there. Got the tough truck moved into the backyard, side yard, whatever yard. Yeah, I think the what I'm gonna get done is probably just work on this mess right here. My catch-all, the back of the car turned into a workbench, so I'm gonna at least get that cleaned off. I got a tire aired up, and then see where I can go from there. All right, so nothing got done pretty much on the car, so that's on me. And life, but yeah, so my goal for you is to always post a video for you guys every single Tuesday, you know, whether it's good content, bad content or not. So this is probably one of those not so much good content videos, but you know, you got to see a sneak peek of one of the parts that we're going to put on the tough truck. We are going to go to Lovelock and race this weekend, so there is good content coming this week, definitely. I'm thinking about changing my right rear shock, coilover shock and stuff, and I definitely got some work to do. But yeah, sorry this video doesn't have much on it, but I am always trying to post a video on Tuesday at least every single week. Everything above and beyond that I think is gravy, because again, life gets in the way sometimes. So man, I'm umming a lot right now, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and you probably don't want to share this one, but go back and watch the other videos. More stuff to come this week. I'm definitely going to hit the car hard. I still got this stuff to figure out in the light tomorrow after work, but I'm definitely going to hit the car hard tomorrow, at least for a couple hours, because I have to get some stuff done. Otherwise, I definitely am not racing this weekend. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Sorry it's kind of a bum video, but you know, I just want you guys to know that I haven't forgot about you, and there's stuff to come. So catch you guys next time.